Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to simplify the expression 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 6. So at first what we are going to do is we are going to solve, or rather we can say simplify the denominator of the second term, that is this term. So 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 6 can be written as 6 minus 1 upon 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5, so 5 upon 6. So 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 upon 6 will be equal 6 upon 5. Therefore the LCM of 5 and 5 will be 5 itself, and in the numerator we are going to have 1 plus 6. So 1 plus 6 will be equal 7. So 7 upon 5 will be the required answer of the given expression. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.